Story time about how I almost died making a candle. One time I really needed to make a coffee scented candle and I had no coffee fragrance. I never buy my fragrances from Nigeria, so I had to order from a local supplier because it was really urgent. I received this fragrance and it looked just like coffee. It was dark. Fragrances are supposed to be gold or clear, and this one was dark like coffee. So I called the supplier and told her, oh, this fragrance won't work in my candle because it's colored. Is there any other thing besides the fragrance in this oil? She goes, oh no, that's how it is. It's nice, you just try it, you testify, da 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 da. So I took the fragrance, made the candle, and I almost died in the process of making this candle. I can't remember anything that happened to me in the process, but I remember feeling dizzy and waking up in the hospital. Long story short, we had to file a police report, get this woman arrested, and get her to stop selling fragrances. When you buy your fragrances, make sure they are gold or clear. That's how you know you have the right fragrance to use for your candle.